Hello, I'm Daffy Marble, CEO Daffy Homes. A lot of people have been asking how they can be part of real estate. All right, real estate is a big thing right now, and a lot of people don't know about it. They don't understand the opportunities in real estate, investment, real estate as a consultant, real estate portfolio. Real estate has a lot of things you need to know. A layman even wants to say, how does real estate work? As long as you're a human being, you're born to this earth, you want to know how real estate works. You want to know everything that entails everything about real estate. There are a lot of opportunities in real estate that people are yet to discover and know for themselves. Knowledge is available for all, but it's left for you to search for that knowledge. However, I'll be holding series of webinars from May throughout the month of May. If you want to know more about real estate investment, or you want to be a professional real estate consultant, or you want to be a consultant in real estate, or you want to learn for yourself so that in future you will not make mistakes when it comes to investment in real estate. The most shocking truth is that everybody wants to own a part of real estate. What do you want to own? But knowledge is very key. You don't want to go into the wrong hands. At least you also have to acquire this knowledge. It's going to be a free training for all, and those that want to be realtors, that want to take it as a business to earn extra income for themselves, good income for themselves, and take it as a business. I'll be showing you the secrets in this business. I've been in this business for a while now. I can tell you it's remarkable, it's phenomenal. I never knew there's so much opportunities in real estate. The market is huge and very, very interesting. I love interesting stuffs. All right, if you want to be a part of this, give me a call, send me a DM, or click the link below to be a part of this great webinar. I'm telling you, you will never regret this. This is going to change your life forever.